Hi everyone, Beth Bailey here, and I'm the new yoga instructor at the Racket Club of St. Petersburg. I wanted to take a few minutes just to talk a little bit about the first workshop I'm hosting. It's coming up, 2 dates available. The first is on Friday, April 14th from 10:30 to 12, and the second is on Saturday, the 22nd, and that one is offered 2 to 3:30. This workshop is going to be about tending to those crabby knees. So whether you have an injury or you want to prevent an injury, this is a good place to start. The workshop will be part lecture, and then we'll do some postures that will test range of motion and determine if you have any imbalances that are contributing to or causing some sort of knee pain or wear and tear. The knees can be tricky. They're deceptive. You might know where the injury came from. It could be an acute trauma where it happened just instantly, or it could be just from normal wear and tear on the knees. For athletes, it's typically that wear and tear. In the workshop, we'll talk about something you're doing that is either causing the injury or the pain, or it's contributing to it. Now, with the knees, if there is already an injury, it's probably a good idea to consult with your physician first to make sure that yoga is going to be a good treatment for that injury. Also note that the knees, they take a while to heal. They're pretty far from the heart, so they don't receive a lot of the blood flow. There's low vascularity there. Energy's not continually moving toward those knees. So, with that being said, know that the results from a workshop or a couple yoga classes is not going to immediately repair any damage to that knee. It's going to take a bit, just like anything with quality results. You're going to need to spend some time focusing on that injury, on that pain, or preventing it. Oftentimes with the knees also, the reason I say that they're tricky and deceptive and you're not really sure often what the cause is, it could be a range of motion in the body. And if your right knee has pain, if there's an injury there, oftentimes it's going to be the glutes or the hamstrings or the hips or the quads. There's going to be an imbalance, and it's typically going to be on the same side as that injured knee. Your body's learned to compensate for it and adapt around it. So that imbalance that you don't know is there could be the source of the pain. So before you think it's the sport or that you're not going to be able to fix it, it's just something you live with because it's been along for so long, testing range of motion is going to be an accurate way to find the source of the injury as well as start to repair it. And again, it is going to take some time. But once you learn to identify what you're doing in your life that's causing, contributing, making it worse, then you're able to make some changes. And with those changes, you're able to slowly repair that damage. The workshops, you'll need to bring each time you attend any kind of workshop, it's a good idea to bring a notebook and a pen. You'll probably want to take some notes. I certainly did when I was learning about the parts of the body and how to make change so I could live with less pain. So bring a notebook and a pen. Wear something comfortable. You don't need special clothing for yoga. Anything you feel comfortable in is fine. We'll be having the workshop upstairs at the Racket Club. So just above the pro shop. You can go through the pro shop or around the side, up the stairs, and you'll find me there. Maybe try to arrive 10 minutes early or so to get your seat and settle in. And you can sign up 2 ways. You can sign up online, super convenient, by going to zenfindelyoga.as.me. That will show you the entire schedule, including workshops, private session availability, and additional yoga classes as well. You can also sign up in the pro shop. The cost to attend the workshop, for members, it's $25. For non-members of the club, you're welcome to attend as well. And the fee for attending as a non-member is $30. You won't pay online. You can pay at the club using credit card, cash, or check by paying in the pro shop, or you can pay me directly. Either way works just fine, so whatever is most convenient for you. I look forward to seeing you there. Please reach out if you have any questions. I'm at the club Monday through Friday, sometimes on a Saturday as well. Look forward to seeing you there.